All right, what's up, everybody? Ooh, 9 minutes and 11 seconds. Welcome to Full House, the complete series unboxing. I told you we're going to go out with a bang tonight. Get it? Bang, 'cause it's big. This came out in 2007 in Warner Brothers, obviously. So here we go. Wait. I broke the house. I'm like King Kong. I break their house. So it has Season 1, Disc 1 and 2. All 8 seasons here, by the way. There's Season 1, Disc 2. Season 1, Disc 3 and 4. There's 3 and 4. Work or something? Thank you. It's fucking autistic brain, right? Season 2 has 4 discs as well. So here's Disc 1, Disc 2. Whoa, it's a monster again! Disc 1, Disc 2. And 3 and 4. Season 3 as well has 4 discs. So here's 1, 2, 1 and 2. 3, 4. Whoa, it's a monster again! Ah! 3 and 4. And a little 2. Season 4 also is a 4-disc set. There's 1, 2. I swear to God, all of these are 4-disc sets. See, like I said, a lot of older folks are like this. Well, not so older folks watch this too. But Welcome Back, Kotter, and freaking Emergency. A lot of older folks that are on this will like that. Don't worry, I'm with you. I like those shows too. I'm not judging. 3 and 4. Whoa, it's another monster! Ah! There we go. Disc 3 and 4. Jeez, I don't know why they jump out like that. Yeah, Season 5 is also a 4-disc set as well. And there it is, Disc 1 and 2. And 3 and 4. Here it is. And 3 and 4. Jesus, monsters everywhere. Yep, Season 6 is a 4-disc set. Like I said, 8 seasons. So here we go. Whoa. What are you doing over there? You're supposed to be over there. There we go, 1 and 2. 3, 4. And 3 and 4. Yep, 4-disc set on Season 7 as well. Disc 1, 2. 3, 4. And 3 and 4. And let's see Season 8 here. Yep, 4-disc set as well, I figured. So 1, 2, the final season here. Whoa, what's another monster coming at me? 1, 2. And 3 and 4. The last season. There we go. And just to show I'm not a complete monster, I fixed their house for them. I fixed the house. I fix house. I make house fixed. I fix house. I fixed their house. I'm not an evil person. I fix house and I put it on there. Yes. Yes. Whoa, it's a monster. Fix their house. It's fixed. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You'll every time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.